So let us start with problem number 3. Line MN is 65 mm long and it is inclined to horizontal plane by 30 degrees, inclined plane by 45 degrees. Endpoint M is 20 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. So below behind is indicating the position in third quadrant. Okay, below HP, behind VP. Point N, specifically it is mentioned that it is going to be in fourth quadrant. Our task is to draw the projections. So let us move ahead and draft the projections now. So we need to keep in mind that the projections are going to be with reference to the conditions which had been mentioned. Okay, so let us consider the condition, draft a vertical plane and a horizontal plane to see the real condition. XY is the reference. And here it is mentioned that point M is 20 mm below HP and behind VP, 25 mm behind VP. So this is going to be point M's location. So when we project its plan, it is going to be over here. Elevation, it is going to be over here. So in our reference graph, we are going to have the plan above the reference and elevation below the reference. And for point n, the data suggests that point n is going to be in fourth quadrant. So if point is in fourth quadrant, its projections are going to be available below the reference. Reference से नीचे ही उसके projections मिलेंगे. It may be n dash and over here. Now let us start the drafting. So first I am going to draft the reference line. Reference XY is given. It is 20 mm below HP, 25 mm behind VP. So let us have those positions also. So I'm going to drop the location like this: 20 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. So this is going to be the location of M dash, and this is going to be the location of M. Let us draft their locuses also. तो यहाँ पे मैं उनके locus draft कर देता हूँ. Here the important stuff is identification of the position as well referencing the position. So let us draft the locus. This is going to be locus of M dash, and this is going to be locus of M. Now we are aware that the inclination with horizontal plane is 30 degrees. So from M dash I have to draft 30 degrees of line with the length 65 mm. So we are going to have those positions like this. From this region I am going to draft a position at 30 mm. From at 30 mm I am going to sketch a line having length of about 65 mm. And at the end of it, I am going to mention that location as N1 dash, and the locus of point N dash is going to be available over here. So we need to mention this locus also. This particular position is indicating locus of N dash. And at which angle we have drafted it? We have drafted it at 30 degrees, which is inclination with the horizontal plane. Now let us have the inclination with the vertical plane, which is 45 degrees. So let us mention that 45 degrees also. We are taking the angle in downward direction because position of N is going to be below the reference. So let us have that 45 degree position over here. Now draft the line. Line should have length of 65 mm, so it is going to be up to this particular position. This point is going to be called N1, and the locus passes through N1 is going to be called locus of N. So this is going to be locus of N. Now the angle at which it is present, it is 45 degrees. So the lines what we have presented are the true length in elevation and true length in plan. and the length is 65 mm. Now from true length we need to transfer the projections. How to transfer that projection? So we are starting from the point of execution and we'll go for the next point. So from n dash, if I'm starting, then n in elevation. From n in elevation I should go for m in plan. So this is going to be the straight line up to m in plan. And from here we need to make an arc up to the locus of n. From m in plan to the n in plan I need to draft an arc. So it is going to intersect over here at the locus of n. I'm extending the locus of n to find the location. Now let us mention it. So this is going to be called n, and mn is the plan length. Mn is the plan length. You can measure that plan length. Now let us move ahead and draft the elevation length. From where we should start? We should start with the n. So from n in plan, we should be drafting it up to the m in elevation. So up to m in elevation, we are going to have the projection transfer to the line. Now we need to make an arc. Arc कहाँ तक जाएगा? m in elevation से n in elevation तक. So from here we need to draft. यहाँ से यहाँ तक arc लगाएंगे. The arc is going to intersect at on the locus of n dash. So this position is going to be called n dash. Connect m dash and n dash. It is going to represent the elevation length. You need to measure those lengths and you need to measure other angles also. According to the criteria, we should be having m, n and n dash on the same line as the m and m dash. So we are going to have the same. So the problem is completed. We should proceed further and practice more problems. Problem number 3.